Like it or not, reviews drive sales to local businesses. So we know that people use online reviews to decide which local businesses they're going to shop with and evaluate them. That means if you own a local business, gathering reviews, getting those positive reviews, responding to them, commenting, it's all super important for letting other people know that you are an awesome local business that they need to shop at. So how do you get more reviews, right? How do you get those customers that you know love your business to go online and actually write a review for you? Not as easy as it seems. And anybody who runs a local business knows that that's the case. So why don't we just find out from customers? What do they think? What's going to make a difference? I've got the survey just for you. It's a brand new one that just came out. It surveyed thousands of customers of local businesses and said, what is it that encourages you to write a review? What will actually get you to write a review? Let's find out what they said. So first and foremost, they will write a review, and here's how this works. They ask them, how likely are you to leave a review in the following circumstances? So you've got, wouldn't affect my decision, highly unlikely, unlikely, likely, and then highly likely, meaning there's a good chance they're going to do it. So if the business went above and beyond to ensure you had an exceptional experience, take note on that one. The second one, that had the highest likelihood, you can see here, of somebody leaving you a review. So let's just go back to the basics, right? No trick, nothing like that, no platform, no medium. Did the customer feel like you went above and beyond for their business? That's something you really got to think about. What can you do to ensure that your customer feels that way? If you own a retail store and something's heavy, can you carry it out to their car for them? If somebody is not have a spare on loose change, do you have a loose change bucket there? Do you have a little extra that you throw in from time to time, whether you're offering a service? Do you kind of do a little extra for somebody besides just mowing the lawn? Trim the trees, trim the hedges, things like that, right? What are those little things? Not asking you to cost yourself money, but can you think of what's a little thing that I can do, right? Or a little piece of this buying experience my customer has with me where I can just go above and beyond by just a little bit. What would that look like, right? It doesn't have to be expensive. It can be creative. When you do that, you're giving your business a heck of a chance to get more reviews, more than the competition, and grow your business even more. So that's something I want you to take away from this video and think about. Next most likely one, you initially had a negative experience that was turned into a very positive experience. People are really likely to leave a review after that. So when somebody is not satisfied, think of that as your opportunity, right? Think of that not as a negative thing. Our whole life is our perception, right? So think of that as a positive opportunity to turn that person around and get a review for your business and actually give that person a genuinely awesome experience, right? It's not just because you want the review, it's because you care about them having a great experience. They're more likely to leave you a positive review. So think about that the next time someone's upset. Think about how you turn that negative experience into a positive. Think about it as an opportunity to do so. You're probably going to win a customer for life, and you're going to win over other customers because of what you do in that moment is going to show up in a review, right? If people know your business is new, they're going to give you a chance. And if the business has a low average star rating and you don't think it's deserved too. So those are two things that are kind of interesting. If your reviews are pretty low, or your business is really new and your stars are pretty low, people are more likely to give you a review in those cases. If you know that the business is eco-friendly or sustainable, so there's more and more people who are obviously caring about that as a social good consequence of doing business, more likely to leave you a review and help your business when you have that. So if you are running a business where you don't have something like that, or you don't advertise it, maybe you, again, I'll use local service business, lawn care. Maybe you're really conscious about composting and recycling, using the right, healthy materials in your lawn care services too, not to pollute the environment. Maybe that's something that you do, but you're not advertising that or making that a part of your marketing. You're more likely to get reviews if people know that you're doing things like that too. So what are the social good consequences of the things that you're doing? How could those help you get more reviews by advertising, letting people know about that? A member of the staff personally suggested you leave a review. So that's always nice. You can see here, this goes up to 40% more likely. People are likely, and that's a pretty big percentage, right? When you compare it, and then 17% say highly likely, but the 40% likely to leave a review when they've been personally requested to do so. If the business is owned by a community you support or are part of, so LGBTQ, Black owned, women owned, family owned, any of those aspects of your business, really the mission, who you are, why you're doing it, what identity you have or community you're part of, showcasing those things also encourage people to leave your review when they find those things out, which is wonderful. And then if you received an email or text message, so this does have an impact too, right? Versus not any of these qualifying factors. So there are tools and things out there that can make it easier for you to send follow-up emails and text messages requesting a review from someone, and those do have an impact. Now, stack those things together, right? Start to go above and beyond and text someone asking for a review, or turn around a negative experience and have a member of the staff personally request a review. Those things start to stack together and have an aggregate effect on driving more reviews for your business too. So take that away. This is what customers themselves say will influence whether they have a review. Think of how you can combine one or two of these on a consistent basis, and then kind of work that into your processes to generate more and more positive reviews for your business. Thanks for joining me. Leave a comment below. Let others know what's working for you and your business to get reviews. We'd love to share with other business owners. So please leave some tips and tricks if you have them, and hit that subscribe button.